Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to format a Trello board. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to trello.com, hit the enter button, and this will take you right away here. So let's say as an example you don't have any boards. Of course you'll have to go and create a new one. You can even choose one of the templates that they have. They have multiple templates. Example, I don't know, I'm just going the random templates, maybe this one, and click on use this templates. I'm just going to name it like board one, like higher. Why not? And click on create. Of course, I'm just going to choose this workspace. Click on create here. And as you can see, board is creating. And as you can see here, I have some board. Just going to archive this. I don't want to see like pictures of other people. So as you can see here, I do have a board. And now we would like to format a board. And as you can see, this is first of all like a form of board. If you want to format a board by your own, you can simply go and create your own board. Like create from scratch. Like create like, just going to name it format. And in this workspace, background this example, create. And as you can see here, you'll be able to create the format that you want. Let's say, example, I'm just going to create a list called this and a card as example called hi. We're just going to click on this card example. I'm just going to here to description, make even some formats as example here. We'll just do some bold text as an example. So some here like that. As you can see, here's some formats of the text as well. And yeah, that's how you basically format like a board and text on Trello. Other stuff, of course, is just optional to do whatever you want. So you can format other stuff. And you'll be able to create like multiple lists with multiple cards. You can even choose the templates as we did before, which will make it very easy for you, for example, to start. And you can even see a lot of stuff. You'll be able to add stickers. You'll be able to do a lot of stuff. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.